Next, find an expert to learn from. The best way to learn a new skill is to learn from someone who has mastered that skill. The courses that you will take online or in person will only get you so far. Try to find an internship, apprenticeship, or a job or a project where you can learn in real time from someone who is an expert in the craft you're trying to learn. This is why at Growth Skills we have a sales, a SEO, and a digital marketing apprenticeship program. If you want to be a Growth Skills apprentice, email support@growthskills.co and we will send you an apprentice application to fill out. We take apprenticeships seriously and only take on people who really, really want to learn, because eventually our goal is to place them, right, at a job. And our reputation's everything. So if you don't really care about learning, don't apply for the internships. And then not everyone gets accepted. So please only apply if you are serious and you're going through the courses and you're comprehending the information. Again, internships and apprenticeships are absolutely essential to getting you to a level where you can master the craft, right? Because you could ask questions and again, it's just practicing with an expert.